do a lot of these, but this Bedside is back ordered on this 2020 model Dodge Ram. So we're gonna have to try to old school it, see if we can fix it. I think we can. This is just a rough end to see if we can fix it. This is just showing a little, you know, time lapse here on what I done. I just roughed it in there. They've got the porta power in behind that thing and dollied it up and all. I still like around the back of the tail light and stuff. I'll show that in my next video how we can do it, but I sure do think we can fix it since they can't get one for like another month, get these people back in their car. Not bad for a rough end. Now to go up here and see if they're going to let me fix it since we can't get one. My gap's pretty nice. I just pushed it out there enough to make sure that it was something I could fix, but look at that. I got that Bedside in the can over there, which it really is not going to be that much on it once I get it. This part here will have to be ground down and pulled out. This has to be ground down and pulled out, but I think we can do it.